girl, Mimiyuuuh.
You do know the liar's mapay is the kasi in fake, hindi siya mukhang dragon.
What's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today is gonna be an exciting day guys because we're here at BaiCon Infest here in Seaside, Cebu. So I'm gonna meet Mimiyuuuh. I'm so crazy, I look like crazy. I don't know how to do the kulot thing. So let's make Mimiyuuuh do that later. So it's called BaiCon Infest. So basically all the no, not all, some of the known YouTubers, content creators, influencers here in the Philippines will be gathered here and will get the chance to meet our idol. So only the first 50 guys will get the chance to meet Mimiyuuuh, Kimpoy, and Mikey Bustos. Yes, and yeah, that's why I'm here early kayo, as in it's still 10 a.m. and ang event will start at 1 p.m. So yes, so while waiting guys, so I think I'm gonna have my breakfast first. But first I meet a new friend, JM. Hi JM.
Hello.
He's a content writer. Yes, from zoominglife.com. So if you guys want to read some good vibes, so just check that website out. So
Yes.
let's go.
You guys ready to be invested today?
Yeah.
We're so excited. Finally, after more than a year of putting this together, nandito na, tumating na lahat ng mga online celebrities from different parts of the country.
Let's all welcome Mimi! We are super duper happy and excited.
We're coming in na guys to the event area. Go, kain ka lang ng kain! Let's lapok guys! So we're currently here at Sky Hall B here in SMC side. So we're just waiting for the event to start. So makita lang mo silang Mimi, si Majo, si Juno, the liar, the fake, charot lang. Ito guys, so while waiting guys, they have some complimentary snacks here. So ang event na guys, it's a 2-day event. So day 1 is a meet and greet, and then tomorrow is more on talks, knowledge sharing from the influencers, mga content creators from the Philippines. So while waiting guys, maybe I will ask some people here if kinsay lang excited na na makita.
Hi, Haidee.
So kung kinsay mo ganahan na makita sa event.
Kuan ako na ilan ng for now kay si Mimiyuuuh si Kyo.
So example ko na sa Mimiyuuuh na signature ko. Dito.
Hi guys.
Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, my channel is Mark David Poblete.
Are you guys ready to be invested? Let's also welcome here on stage, Fynest China! Hello! And finally, last but definitely not the least, so again, let's give it up for your online content creators, Kimpoy, Fynest China, and Mimiyuuuh! fans, you know what? They've been here since this morning talaga to see all of you today. They're really looking forward to this moment. What can you say to them? Let's start with Kimpoy.
Siyempre, I'm very thankful. Cebu talaga is really close to my heart. So, magdaming supporters dito. So, maraming salamat and we can't wait to meet you all.
Fynest China.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys for supporting and for waiting. Thank you so much for coming.
And of course, Mimi!
Salamat po sa mga pumunta dito. Nakakatuwa po kayo. Salamat po.
Mimi, can we hear it from you yourself? Kung paano kantahin yung yeah? Kasi kanina pa kami nagpa-practice dito.
Sige. Hoy, huwag mo. Hi, guys!
Kaya pala basa. Kasi nag-drink pa siya ng water. Kaya pala.
I jumped in.
Sige, let's hear how you do it, Mimi.
Hi, guys! It's your girl, Mimi. Yeah.
I'm really grateful first of all po. Tapos, siyempre nagpapasalamat po ako sa maraming nagsusuporta. Pero, there. Kasi kasama siya nagbago ng buhay ko. Yung mga week ko na yan.
Yeah.
Like, it really changed my life. Pero, like, being in the US, I think it's just a little harder. Kasi yung it's just different. Pero dito, like, everyone's just supportive. And, like, that's why I just love, like, going back to my roots talaga. And, yeah, you have to, like, support your country and things like that. Yeah,
Yes.
so it changed my life really. Like,
Kasi really, there's no place like home. The best
yeah,
pa talaga.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Period.
How about from Kimpoy?
I'm very thankful kasi siyempre, daming na-experience, dami namin nagagawa because of you guys. So, very thankful and to be able to inspire na ako ng simpleng tao lang naman, to be able to make someone happy is too much already for me.
Wow. And they're actually even
Kaya yun po, ang iniisip ko lang po rin talaga is like, be myself and by being myself, I hope na mas na-inspire ko yung ibang tao and yung responsibility po talaga, I think talaga po, kahit po mga normal na tao, dapat may responsibility po talaga sila and everything that they put outside the social media. Kaya po, ang sa akin lang po talaga is like, before you do something, think about it po. And be responsible and own up to it. Own up to it.
I thought that was the last question, but pinaka-last, we have a lot of vloggers actually here. What is your tips for them? What are your tips for them? How to be you po? How to be you?
Gusto ko po, sana may mic. Sana may mic. Ayan po. Basta do everything that makes you happy and do everything na passionate ka about. Kasi yung vlogging, actually hindi ko naman talaga siya in-aspire maging. Oo. And I think mas magiging successful pa talaga kayo kasi sobrang passionate nyo in vlogging. Ayun guys. So, and lastly, be yourself. Yun lang talaga. Be yourself. Okay.
So, what any advice for Fynest China? What's your advice to them, mga aspiring vloggers?
Okay. So my biggest advice is never compare yourself to anyone.
Yes!
Because once you compare yourself to someone, the game is done.
Yes.
You have to think of yourself, what you like to do, what yung gagawin yung gusto nyo gawin dahil because of someone. Because oh my gosh, yeah, it's okay to be inspired, but sometimes it comes into a negative way, diba? So, wag yung compare yourself to anyone, just do what you think is right and do what you believe, because you are what you believe, diba? So, just keep pushing and be consistent. That's the main goal. If you want to be someone, consistency is number one.
Wow, consistency is key.
Gusto mo mag-vlog, every week, post.
Yes.
If you want to be like talagang right there, pero yeah.
Cassandra. Bisaya kay Cassandra. Sige.
Mahirap para pag-last na. Siguro yun nga, it's very true na don't try to copy someone else just because it works for others, it's gonna work for you. So, siguro another tip is, if you really want to do it, talagang do it with love, and love every step of it. Hindi lang yung parang pag-post lang or pag-iisip lang ng content. Dapat pati yung pag-edit, pag-shoot, dapat lagyan mo ng puso lahat. Kasi pag isa lang yung gusto mo, eventually mawawalan ka ng gana eh. So, embrace it kung talagang gusto nyo, ibibigay mo lahat.
Yay! Thank you so much for those wonderful advice and words of wisdom. Let's give another round of applause! How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's get to know them.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Let's start with you, Mimi. Sino yung katabi mo?
Hi! Hello!
Hi!
Ang pangalan nyo?
My name is Ma'am Babaila.
Yan! Kailan taon na po kayo?
17 years old.
Pwede mo yan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Sige.
Ay, babakayan niyo! Nakingay! Ang paslan ni Majo! What's up, people?
Sige, since we already have Majo, nanap ko siya din sa Cebu. Can we have a sample naman of your You Do Not Lie? Sige, let's give it up for Majo!
You do not the liar's mapay. Is the kasi impay. Hindi siya mukhang dragon. Kasi hindi ka muna papasok sa school. Pero tita, no don't. Huwag mo na akong pigilan kasi. Sige kasi, pasok ka na.
Ang galing-galing mo naman! Thank you so much, Majo. So we already have here with us Mimi, Carlo, and Majo. So we are going to have our Dalagang Pilipina stage show dance challenge. Okay. Okay, so our mechanics are very, very simple. We are going to have it by elimination. Okay? So we are going to play.
Nagme-mechanics, baby boy. Kinuha yung mic mo tuloy.
Nasuraan sa chocolate. Alright, sige. So the mechanics are very simple. We are going to play the Dalagang Pilipina song. And then once the music stops, you have to show us your best Dalagang Pilipina pose. Okay? Sabot naman o. Alright, so every round, Mimi, Carlo, and Majo, we are going to choose one to eliminate. Unfortunately, but it's okay, diba? Because you already got a chance to be with your favorite stars here on stage. Alright? Sabot? Yes?
Let's go!
Wait lang, Mimi, can we have a sample naman? Sige, can we play the Dalaga Pilipina song? Paano magawin? Okay, thank you so much, Mimi. Kabahan na mo sa ibuhaton? Yes? Alright, so kayong tatlo yung pipili kung sino yung ating i-eliminate every round. Alright? Okay, so kailangan every round you should give it your best pose for you to be declared the winner. Yes? Alright, are you ready? Yeah? Are you ready? Sige, round 1, start! Alright. Pause with your best pose. Okay. Actually, dalawang people will eliminate natin. Sige. Pumili kayo, Mimi, Majo, and Carlos. Sino yung tatanggalin natin?
Yes. O, sino sa tingin mo, baby girl and baby boy? Ganito silang dalawa.
Sino?
Go, Carlo.
Ano? Saan kayo hindi na-impress?
Alam ko ako lang mamimili. Napakatagal ng dalawang batang mamimili.
Bukas pa daw yung desisyon nila.
Okay, ito daw po. Si Sir daw.
Alright, thank you for joining, sir. One more to eliminate.
Si ate po.
Si ate. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, round 2 dapat lahi na sa ninyong boss, ha? Kinala na hinasal.
Yung pala ng best. Para manalo na tayo.
Yeah! Alright, sige, let's hear it! Okay, what's your best pose? Talagang Filipina pose!
Wala naman akong gantong pose. Nakaganon siya.
Ay, hindi kasi yung interpretation
Okay,
niya.
sige. Mabilis
Yeah.
pa tayo, baby girl. Sino gusto yung tanggalin?
Kailangan nakanganga daw. Okay. Sino yung tatanggalin natin?
Majo, sino sa tingin mo ang dapat tanggalin? Okay. Si Ate daw
Sino po? Alright, thank you. Thank you for joining and...
Sino po? Sino po?
One more. Go back to your post. Again, go back to your post because we have two people to eliminate per round. Sige, what's your Dalaga Filipina post? Go!
Oy! Nakuha siya. Sige, wag mo siyang tanggalin, Carla. Ba't gusto na manalo? Ito na lang po si Ate.
Alright, 3 more! Okay. Ayun lang. Ano pinana daw? Congratulations, Am! K-pop dance challenge! They are super duper happy and excited to finally see you here in person. And of course, we also have our second batch of content creators are finally complete. Let's hear a word from them first. Ano po masasabi niyo sa lahat ng mga fans na kanina po nag-aabang na makita kayo dito sa Asam Seaside City, Cebu? Let's start with the vlog, Adam.
Hello po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much punta nyo.
Thank you for coming, guys.
Wala si Eka.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Ayun, sana puntahan niyo yung lahat ng araw kasi you're gonna have fun on this event and we're gonna be joining you. Ayun, thank you sa BaiCon for bringing us here. And thank you sa inyo dahil pumunta kayo. Yay!
Mommy, Haidee and Hazel.
Thank you po for coming.
We're very happy to come here for BaiCon. So marami po tayong mga activities, lalo-lalo na po tomorrow. Sana mag-stay kayo all throughout the event. Ayan. Thank you for inviting us and bringing us here. So hindi ko po ma-imagine kung gaano yung effort para ipunta itong event na to. So thank you po sa mga organizers.
How about from Hazel? Message to your fans?
Ayun, yung aso mo, iniwan ko po sa Bay Hotel kasi nakakahiya eh. Baka itago ni Mami. Hindi naman niya. Thank you po for coming. Love you guys.
And Bogart!
It's certainly a pleasure to be here. Thank you all so much for coming. Anda, malingaw mo mas among presentasyon.
Ang naman yun ang Cebuano ka live. Thank you so much.
Para sa mga aspiring vloggers, yung mga magsa-start pa lang, mag-start na kayo ngayon na.
Now na.
Oo. Mag-step na kayo, gawin nyo na, upload ang video, make a content. This is the perfect time para mag-start kasi mabilis ang growth ngayon and parang lumalaki talaga yung community. And one thing, sana yung, dapat pala, yung content na gagawin nyo is yung passion nyo talaga. Hindi lang yun dahil ito yung uso, hindi lang dahil ito yung ganyan. Kasi pag passion mo, hindi ka mababurnout, magiging inspired ka sa paggawa ng content. Yun yung number one, passion talaga dapat.
Para ma-enjoy mo na manalo. Sige.
Lagi ko sinasabi, enjoy lang. Gawin mo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, huwag kang matakot na gumawa ng gumawa. And yun yung lang sabi namin na authenticity is the key.
Yeah.
Yun lang. To be yourself.
Yeah, dagdag ko lang, if you're gonna start vlogging, don't think about the money. Mahirap yun, matagal yun.
Yes.
Kami, hindi namin na alam, ako hindi ko alam na may career and may money sa pag-YouTube. Don't think about that. Darating yun, darating yun kapag nagtrabaho kayo.
That's true.
Dagdag ko na lang din doon sa money, wala rin yan sa camera nyo, nasa content yan.
Yeah.
True!
Nag-start kami phone. Actually, nag-vlog ulit ako gamit phone. Diyos ko. And yun, one is be proud of your sense of humor. And habang nag-edit ka, if hindi ka masaya sa ini-edit mo, huwag mo na i-upload, please. Yun na lang. Kasi if ikaw nga hindi mo na enjoy, paano pa kaya yung viewers?
True!
I think yun yung isa sa mga
Thank you so much, Bogart. How about from the mommy and daughter tandem? Anong share nyo sa mga fans nyo dito?
Well, sa akin, tama yung mga sinabi nila lahat. For me, it's never too late to start something new, guys. So, katulad ko, at my age, hindi ko akalain I will be in this platform. So, dapat, kung may gusto kayo, sabi ni Kyo, gawin nyo na ngayon. And of course, be yourself. And also, do something that you love doing. Huwag nyong ipilit yung, just because everybody else is doing vlogging, gusto nyo mag-vlog. Dapat, it comes to you na you love what you do. Yan. So, yung content naman is, once you get into it, makikita mo naman kung saan ka nalilinya. Yeah.
Wow, Hazel?
Nasabi ni Kuna ng lahat. Pero yung pinaka-advice ko is, yun nga, huwag niyong gawin dahil ginagawa lang ng iba or dahil uso siya or dahil ang laki daw ng sweldo. But gawin niyo siya dahil gusto niyo talaga and passion niyo siya kasi mahirapan kayo kung hindi din. And last is consistency. Kapag nag-start na kayo, be consistent about it. Hindi yung nag-start na, tapos, okay, petex na ako, gano'n. Ay, sorry. Ayun.
So you have to be consistent. Sama nyo daw kami sa mga shopping escapades nyo.
Sana
all daw. How about Bogart?
Well, they've said it all. So basically, I'm just going to say, as someone who's been in the industry for close to 10 years, what I can say, if you're going to go into it, don't lose yourself at the end of it. So they've said it all, be yourself. You will find whoever that is while you're taking on this journey. But throughout that journey, towards the end, if you decide to exit or stay on, do not lose yourself, because in the end, it'll just be you and the people who love you.
Yeah, one more daw from Luigi.
And one last, sa mga aspiring vloggers, other people's success is not your failure. Kaya huwag kayo ma-discourage if kunyari yung friend nyo na vlogger, then mas maganda yun, mas mataas yung sub, ganyan. Just make content.
Yeah. And we have to be happy for each other's successes, right? Alright, thank you so much for those very encouraging words. Hopefully, nakatunan today. And tomorrow, we will learn even more. Again, tomorrow, we will be having Haidee Kid and Bogart the Explorer. Again,
Okay, so the event just ended. I'm very happy. How's your experience?
It was awesome. Ayun, ano ba sabihin ko? Hindi ko alam. Na-starstruck ako dun sa mga influencers ko.
Okay, ang mga inspiring kayo sila as in murag na-encourage ko to make more vlogs, make more content.
Sino mo yung pinaka-paborito mo na influencer?
Mine, wala siya dire. Si Will. Si Vince, good ang kanang nagkukut sa kong camera every time mo adto ko sa stage niya.
Wow.
Vice versa.
Siya man gyapon.
Yes.
Wow, sige ka man na.
Pero kanigyan ang the best kay VIP. I got a VIP ID because of
maliit na bagay.
Charot! Sana all! Anyways. Right guys, so that ends the first day of BaiCon here in Seaside. I'm so happy good guys. I have finally met my idol. And yes, that's all for today. So tomorrow is another day. We still have the talks tomorrow about content creation, like that, stuff like that. So check that out tomorrow guys. So for now, I will end my vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribed, please click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa next na vlog ko or videos ko. And that's it! Thank you for watching guys!